All right, welcome back to another episode. So really quick, just want to explain a few things. As you seen, or you're gonna see here, beginning of the video is going through our walk, and that's actually back in Willow. It's back in Becker County, and then you'll see some birds and whatnot. And then later on, we came back to Ottertail because, for one, I wanted to change out boots. And then two, I just wanted to try out some different areas. Well, we're going to an area, and you guys don't see, my cousin goes, hey, there's turkeys out in this field. And we didn't even go to the public piece that we're heading to, but it just so happens that those turkeys were on the border of a different public piece that we weren't even planning on hunting. So yeah, so once again, it's kind of a repeat of what I kind of did in season A. Is we went to Becker, then to Ottertail County, and then yeah, as you are gonna tell here eventually, we got lucky. So right time, right spot. So it's part of hunting. So stay tuned. Hopefully you enjoy the video.
So here's the problem we're running into, guys. So right now we're on the edge of state land, right in here, and it cuts straight across, and the turkeys are right over there. So hopefully some calling will do the trick and get them circled back over.
Oh yeah, I heard them gobble.
They're gobbling. So we got some toms now. They're going. We're gonna set up shop as they're heading this way. We got some turkeys. We're gonna jump right now. Around state land.
kill him. So they're just kind of picking up. So you guys didn't see it, but the setup was just this. And then I had to fan that above to draw them in, and then we shot them right on the public line. But I thought he dropped the tom, but
Got it.
I didn't even see the bird go down. I'm trying to hunker down, like back in here, hunkering down. Yeah, doing that, waving. He was up in there, and they came hauling, and they finally got right up to the line. But we're hunkered down in here, but yeah, we'll show you a little bit better view here of the bird. I wish I could a little better on that. Oh, but it's a Jake. We'll show you in a bit. Alrighty. Look at the spurs on that guy. Holy. Now we got him up. Where's his beard at? We're about to head on out. Where the heck? It's so damn small I can't. There it is. I found it. There. Holy smokes. All right. Let's head on out. Probably easier to cut up this way. Right here, and then it opens up. I think it got a tick on me.
Yeah, that'd be like the 40th one of the day.
Yeah, we're just covered in ticks.
You guys ever need ticks? There's a tick hunter over here.
Alrighty.
Well, we got her done today, boys. What is that, Willow?
Holy shit.
What's that? What's that?
We are covered in ticks. Like
Oh,
bad.
you find your 50th one there, Gary?
Like bad covered. Show everybody what's happening. Alright. So we're just kind of peeling everything out of the truck. We've been picking ticks off us like crazy. But it's kind of the same old setup always. You know, I'm still rocking the Winchester. Got the game bags here. And this is where I keep all the calls. And we called and called and called and called. Was not working.
Nope.
And then finally he's got the GoPro, and there wound up being 4 birds total. There was a hen, 2 jakes, and a tom. And he took one of the bigger jakes, and we didn't really know that the tom was around. He didn't gobble, nothing. They're just silent. Well, he's got me, you know, flashing this thing because we're calling and calling, and I'm down in the weeds behind the hen decoy, and finally, to get their attention, I'm turning this so they can see that there's birds over there. And then they are hauling. I mean, hauling right to us. And that's why, like, on my phone, you didn't see a whole lot of good footage, is because I don't want to blow his hunt, you know, sitting there holding the phone, you know, in the wide open. I was trying to get tucked down. So I did the best I could, and he just got here last night, so we didn't hunt yesterday evening, so we got her wrapped up in, you know, half a day. It's not even noon yet, so. But no, it's your standard Jake. You know, I've actually never seen one killed. I've always just shot toms. It's just how it's worked out. I mean, I would shoot a Jake. I don't really care. The bird's a bird, but yeah, it's pretty. It barely sticks past the feathers. I think the feathers are probably longer than that thing. It's crazy. But no, it was an interesting, different hunt. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. And catch you sometime in the future.